Hello friends, today we are going to fix a problem of battery icon missing from Windows 10. As you can see, I don't have any battery icon here, so my icon is missing. So I have this is a driver problem. So for this you just need to do some settings. It's a very easy task. Okay, so come on, let's begin. So right click on PC and go on manage and open through manage, and then you will be logged into your this computer management. Then select on device manager. After that, batteries, then go to Microsoft adapters and you need to disable both of it. So after disabling the device, then you need to again enable it and enable both of the devices. As you can see, after enabling the devices, the battery icon appears. As you can see here, this battery icon reappears, and it's almost a very easy problem fix.